Hey, cutie pie. How's my Gonzo? Oh, you're so good. Look at you. Look what you did. Yay, Gonzo. Yay, Gonzo. Good job. Hurrah for Gonzo. I love that little gronk sound. You gonna step down? Step down. There's my baby. Hurrah for Gonzo, who's a good bird. What, sweetheart? What did you say? What did you say, cutie pie? You're so good. You're such a good bird. Yes, you are. And I'm going to pet you. Oh, I love to pet Gonzo. Oh, I love to pet that bird. Yay, Gonzo. Hoot hoot yourself, baby. I'm going to pet you. You're a good boy. You're amazingly good, Gonzo. You do a good job. You did. You're being a good boy today. What a good boy you are.